What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can change language on your iPhone. This will be quick and easy, so make sure to watch the video until the end. Let's first open our Settings app. On the search box on the top, just simply search Language. Click this Language and Region option. So from here, you can see the list of your preferred languages. In my case, I have English, Filipino, and Japanese. You can add more languages by tapping Add Language right here. Scroll down or search for the language you like and tap on it. After clicking that, you might see a prompt saying changing language may require restarting your iPhone. Just click continue and that. But if you want to use your language from your list over here, just move them to the top by holding and scrolling your preferred language to the top like this one. On the prompt, hit continue and there you have it.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.